激光鸟是在《变形金刚3》中登场，依旧隶属于声波。其伪装形态有电脑显示器、多功能打印机、伪汽车人、粉色的大黄蜂。墙上的饰品。在电影中跟随声波潜伏在迪兰身边，在萨姆营救卡莉时攻击萨姆，并劈坏了美军的无人机，使大黄蜂的飞机抛锚，被萨姆摁在火炮上，被大黄蜂杀死。
Pleasure working with you.
Soundwave reporting, Lord Megatron.
And what news from your little assassin?
Autobots have taken the bait. They've discovered the Ark and returned with its cargo.
You did me great honor tracking that ship to the moon. Your human collaborators have served their purpose, Soundwave. It's time to eliminate loose ends.
Laserbeak. Kill them all.
With pleasure. Is your daddy home?
Then Madeline said it's about time.
Hello, Mom.
What are you doing in my house?
Just visiting.
I would never say anything. Whoa. Okay. Sabotage him, anything satellite. Just like I promised, I'm putting a blind spot on the program as a bonus. What more do you want from me?
Jerry, you are my favorite.
I'll do whatever you want me to do.
I know, but my superiors need me to.
Please, you don't have to do
Suicide you.
You don't have to.
What did you say to Witwicky?
Oh, shit! Huh? Who wants some chicken dinner now, bitch? Cause somebody messed with the wrong wank today. Come on! You want some of me?
I don't need any.
Box up his personals to get his name off his parking space.
Hey, when do we get a new copy?
I'm not gonna say anything about what I saw. Who you share a toilet stall with is totally your business.
This is exceedingly Japanese. They never make it easy, do they?
现在才点关注啊，我都快等不及了。